The pollution produced from diesel cars by KayScience.com. Cars such as diesel cars run on diesel, and the combustion of diesel produces pollution such as carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and tiny solid black particles made of carbon called particulates. Particulates are very small solid particles of carbon. Diesel contains bigger hydrocarbon molecules compared to petrol, and during combustion, not all of these bigger molecules fully burn in air. Therefore, particulates are released, which are the solid particles of carbon. These particulates are a major problem for Earth's atmosphere. This diagram shows Earth and its atmosphere. Now, this diagram represents the sun, and we know the sun provides Earth with sunlight. And here I'm drawing the particulates which are produced from the combustion of diesel in diesel cars. And the issue is, these particulates rise up into the atmosphere. And because these particulates are solid particles of carbon, when the sunlight travels from the sun to the earth, the sunlight is blocked by the solid particles of carbon, which are the particulates, and they're reflected into space. So these particulates reflect sunlight into space, and this causes global dimming, which is when the earth is darker than it should be because some of the sunlight is reflected into space by the particulates which are in Earth's atmosphere. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Nitrous oxide is another pollutant produced from the combustion of diesel. And this is a problem for people as the nitrous oxide can be inhaled. When nitrous oxide is inhaled, this can trigger asthma as nitrous oxide is toxic. Not only this, but the particulates can also be inhaled. This is a problem because particulates can damage cells causing cancer. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets, and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.